Hello friends, welcome to my video lectures. So today we are going to make the steering wheel like this. You can see here how to make the steering wheel process wise, and you can learn some new commands also. So by using these examples we will learn the basic command of Creo. So first of all, take new file and take this, OK, click on millimeters and OK. After that, first of all, click on sketch, click the front plane. After that, sketch. Now click the sketch view. First of all, we have to use revolve command. So draw center line, take center line and draw over here. After that, take the circle, draw it over here, make the circle diameter 50. You can change the dimension from the center line to the center of the circle. This is 239, make it 200. OK, you can also increase it 300. OK, after that just click on revolve. Your revolve command is complete. After that, go to sketch 1, right click and edit definition. After that, click on this sketch view, take the line command and draw the section over here like this. After that, click the cursor aside, double click, so dimension will be automatically generated. Click on OK. After that, click over here, save orientations, so click on front. After that, take the sketch, select this plane, click on the sketch, take the reference, the circle reference. As you take the reference, you can see here circle is indicated and center also. Take this reference also, close it. After that, take line and draw it from the circle center to the center of this and little bit inner side. OK, after that, click the cursor away. After that, OK. Now you can learn the new command here over here, sweep command. So click on sweep command. Here is the highlighted portion green in color and the arrow you can see. Now let's focus on this create or edit sweep section. So click on this. For revolution source sweep, for using sweep command, we have to use or draw a section. So click on this sketch view. After that, take this ellipse, center and axis ellipse. Here you can see here cross. Click the center point and up to the axis distance. Click over here. Your ellipse will be created. Click here. After that, OK. You can see this is generated. OK, now you have to pattern this generated part. So first of all, just click green mark over here. After that, if you wanted to make pattern this part, so click on it. After that, click on this pattern command. So you have to pattern about the axis. So click on the axis and here you can see one axis, this indicating. Click on this axis. Automatically 4 numbers are created, but we wanted 3, so make it 3, put over there. enter button. Now these are created pattern by 90°, but we wanted to make it equal, so click on this, set the angular extent. It will be created equal in angle. So click on this green mark. Here you can see your steering wheel is ready. If you wanted to make some logo here, so click on this. After that, sketch. Next, move to the sketch view, and after that take the reference, this circle, close it. Now take the line command, and you can draw any logo here over here, but it should be complete close drawing, like just observe that. Click aside, take the circle, concentric to the circle. After that, you also learn the trim command or delete segment here. Here is the delete command or trim. Click on this. So trim unwanted portion. Okay, after take line again, draw this line from here to here. After that, click cursor away. After that, take the line again here and draw this line up to here. Okay, draw it proper way like this. After that, delete segment, trim unwanted part. So here is the, you can get closed drawing, so you can click on OK. After that, extrude it. Now it is extruded, but we have to make extrusion about 2 millimeter. Okay, so you can see the symbol over here. If you wanted to give color or some appearance to it, so you can go to view. Here is appearance command, so click on this. After that, click on this and click this, so here will be red color is generated over here. So this is all about how to make steering wheel by using these commands. And you also learn in this tutorial the sweep command, revolve command again. After that, how to edit these sketches and from this model, and next to the how to make the symbol also. So, and also we can learn this round also. Click on round if you wanted to make rounds over here. Just go here for making rounds. Your round will be generated automatically. Okay, click on green mark. In this way you can generate all rounds to this and this part also. Thank you very much friends for watching this video, and subscribe my channel to get same videos and learn from basic. Thank you very much.